Other new arrivals, I love this car, the 1970 Porsche 911T Targa, Irish green over saddle and black, nicely restored. This car is getting so much activity.
Yeah.
91,446 actual miles, 2.2-liter air-cooled flat six one-barrel Zenith carbs. Why didn't you just get a 6-barrel carb?
Yeah. Try tuning those.
Or T3s.
Yeah. Oh, I got that one off, and now it's like line.
Wow.
And then a 5-speed manual transmission. But boy, oh boy, these early 70s Porsches are popular. It's probably the number one car that we get calls about every day. It's
hot
on the market. So if you're interested, pick it up. Come on, call us. Go to the website, do something. We'll see you in a couple of minutes. The Classic Automall Show.